just went and picked up the new Fisher 10.5 foot XV2. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, that is a beautiful snowplow. 45 inches. The next step is to take the blade halves out and put the pin through all three of these pieces. Sounds easy, doesn't it? And now I'm just shimming them to try to get the center pinholes to line up. It's looking pretty close. Awesome! That went pretty well. Nice bright blade guides. Headlamps. There's a little slot in there. That is going to go toward the vehicle. This one is directional. Looks like the deep slot goes toward the vehicle. And then the parking light to remove the cover over the hole. And they put the bulbs right here for you. Should be non-directional. Snaps in. And then it'll only go in there one way. There's one large tab here. You can line that up. There's a slot right here for the wire to go through. I'll make sure that's up in there. The screws are T20 Torx bit. I'm going to bring in a vehicle so we can extend those angling rams and get those hooked up. Plug it in. Bend the cotter pin is how I do it. Hold the top. to bend it. So I like to fill it through the top. So I can watch it through this plug hole. Perfect. Now we're going to install this center snow deflector, which is totally different than the 9.5s. We're just going to adjust these hoses a little bit because this definitely looks like a pinch hazard to me. They're right in front of these stops. So I'm going to loosen up these two hoses and see if we can't get them to come out here more. There, definitely you can see the difference. Okay, let's hook up the plow vehicle. Sweet.